Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by mapping your habitual responses. You need concrete data. You will write down the times you felt compelled to fix or placate someone and rate each episode 1 to 10 for intensity. Once done, label patterns like people-pleasing, caretaking, or avoidance so you can address the precise behavior. Make sure to note triggers and your emotional, physical reactions. This primes the next step, targeted boundary work and skill practice instead of guesswork. Now you practice with specific, short scripts, say them aloud until they feel natural. You will rehearse. I can't do that right now, or I need time to think, and use calm tone and posture. Once practiced, apply them in low-stakes situations and gradually in harder moments. Make sure to pair words with a supportive action, step back, breathe, or give a time-limited yes. Between sessions, journal reactions and refine scripts to match your voice. Finish by embedding routines that protect gains, schedule weekly reviews, and an accountability check with a friend or therapist. You will use a 24-hour pause on major emotional decisions and identify clear relapse signals like sudden over-apologizing or pleasing to avoid conflict. If old patterns reappear, stop and name the trigger out loud, then apply a practice script. If progress stalls, reduce exposure to triggering dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.